everybody, I'm going to show you how to make Deadpool from Contest of Champions, the app. It's you're gonna have to get it in the App Store. And shout out to Kaden Graniak. First, you're gonna need to print out the classic Deadpool and color it with Sharpie, the red marks, and then cut the belt and just print the symbol on. And you're gonna need to print out some stuff for it. And then I use the Sharpie to color along the lines. And then I just use the Sharpie to color this and this. And I'm also did it for the boots, and for the face you're just gonna print out Deadpool from the movie, not the one from the one with all the straps and everything. It's going to have to be the light one. And you're also going to need to use the droid from the Hoff set, and just use the black hands, and then use the Sharpie to color it half of it black. So stay tuned for May the 4th Assassin Droid. See you guys next time.